students. Welcome to EVS grade 2 EVS class. Okay. Well, last week what we saw? We saw about the things around us. Yes, no? Yeah. We saw the man-made things, natural things, living things, non-living things. That living things, characters, we saw that two. One is need food, that another one is breathe. Need food. Why we are need food? That I said no, what? We need energy for doing work, for growing and stay healthy. For this we need food. Okay. Then next one, breathe. Next one, what is that? Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. What does it mean by breathe? Breathing. Yeah, we are taking air inside and leaving out. No, this is called breathe. Okay, all the living things, it will breathe. Why we are breathing? We are eating food, no? That as it is, it will not give energy. When we are breathing, yeah, in that time, we intake the oxygen. Intake the oxygen, and that oxygen will fuel the food materials and it release the energy. Oxygen will release the energy. Okay, and so breathing is very important character of the living things. Without breathing, we cannot live. So, need food, you understood. Now, the breathing over. The next important character is grow. Okay, growing. Another one, move, feed, reproduce. This and all we will see next. Now, we are going to see the grow. Okay. Grow. We are going to see now grow. What is mean by grow? Can you say? Yeah, when you are studied in LKG or you are in small child, that time how you are? Or very small, no? Very little? Yes or no? Now you are coming second standard. Are you having that much height or that much size? Everything is same? No. You are growing, no? You are increased your size and shape, everything we are increased, no? So, grow means increasing size and weight, shape, everything will increase. Increase means what? Adhigamagaradu. Okay. Now you are keeping one puppy in your home. Okay, puppy is such a small dog, no? Yeah. We are giving food to that and you are keeping in your home or 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 1 year. How you see? What you see there? What happened? You are bringing time, it will have very little, very small. After 6-7 months, what will happen? It will grow, no? Yeah. Peridaga valarum, yeah. So that is called growing. Now you are keeping in one plant in your garden. Okay. Are keeping plant, small sapling. Sapling means the small plant is called sapling. Okay, that you are keeping in your garden. You are pouring the water. 1 month or 2 months after your see means what happened? Yeah, it will grow some big, no? New leaves will come, new flowers will come. Yes, no? So all the living things will show grow. How it is growing? Yeah, it's taking food to know that too they are getting the energy and it's increasing their size and shape. Okay, so that is called grow. It's a very important character to all the living things. But we are keeping in our home non-living things like chair, table. In this and all will grow some. இப்போ நம்ம வீட்டில் ஒரு சேர் போட்டிருக்கோம், அந்த சேர் கொஞ்ச நாள் கழிச்சு பார்த்தா வளர்ந்து பெருசாக இருக்குமா? It's not like that, no? So non-living things will not show growing. But living things, it will show growth. Okay, so it's one of the important character of the living things. when living things eats, they get energy, they release, they get the energy and they will grow. Okay, human beings also, when we are born an infant, we should grow adult. Okay, so human beings also will growing. Then this seed, see this seed, it's a very small, no? Very small seed. But when it is getting that correct situation, that correct conditions, suitable conditions, it will grow baby plant and then it will grow like a tree or big plant. Okay, so all the living things will show the growth. Then next one, movement. Next one, what? Next character is moving. Move. All the living things like birds. Birds, how it's moving. Birds, it will fly. Yes. Yes, no? It's will moving means what? What is mean by move? Yeah. We should go one place to another place. One place to another place. Okay, that is called movement. We are moving now. See, now I am walking. Yes, no. So like that, all the living things will show the movement. Okay, so birds can fly. Insects that also fly. Or you saw in Natural Geography channel, no? That kangaroo and all, how it is moving. Kangaroo, frog, this and all means how it is moving. It will jump. Yes, no? We also can jump. So, movement, walking, running, then fish. You saw the fish, how it is moving from place to place. It will swim. Swimming, neenti poru. Okay, so all the living things will show the movement. Okay, so okay, now animals we are telling it's moving from place to place. So we can say it's a living thing. But you see the plants. It's moving. It's moving from place to place. If you are in your garden, you are keeping one rose plant in one day in this year. After 2-3 days you are seeing means it will go that side. No, you are where you are keeping and that place only it will have or not. Yes, no. So we can say like chair, bench where we are keeping that will have same place. Like that only plants also having. No, so we can say it's a non-living thing. Can say because it's not moving place to place. No. So how can we say it's a living thing? Yeah, then we can't say it's a non-living thing. Plants also it's shown the movement. How it is showing means, see, when we are putting the seed or keeping the plant, the root will grow down. Root will go down. Okay, this is one of the movement. Then you see the shoot. That means the stem. It will go up. Okay, so this is the one of the movement. Then another one experiment also having for this. In higher studies you can see what is means in one dark room. Okay, in dark room you should keep one plant. Okay, only in this window sunlight will come inside. Okay, like that we should set up and keep one plant inside. You see that plant, you should pour the water, you give the nutrients and rich soil, everything you are given. The plant started to grow. That outside and all your plant keep means that will grow what? It will grow straight. But when you are kept in the dark room, only one side only will come the window to sunlight means what happens in this plant will not grow straight. Will not grow straight. It will bend and go through towards the sunlight. Okay, through இப்படி bend ஆகி sunlight வர திசையை நோக்கி வளைஞ்சு வளரும். This is one of the movement. This is one of the, because sunlight is very important. For what? For what, ma? Why we are giving water and we are giving rich soil. I can grow straight, no? Why it is bend and grow through towards the sunlight? Because for photosynthesis. What it is? What is mean by photosynthesis? What is mean by photosynthesis? PHOTOSYNTHESIS. Photosynthesis. What it is means? It's a process of plants preparing their own food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and minerals. These are the natural non-living things. In these things keep on the plants live. Which one? Plants means not all the parts of the plant will not do. Only the leaves will prepare the food with keep on sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Okay. Even they make their own food. Prepare their own food. In this process is called photosynthesis. So plants also will showing the movement. Okay, so all the living things like plants and animals will show the movement. Movement is the important character of the life. Okay. Next one, feed. Next important character is feed. Now for you one, our mother is giving hot water. Okay, you are closing your eyes. You will keep hot water and ice balls. So okay, you close your eyes. Go on. You are touching the hot plate. Can you know that is hot or not? We can understand it's a hot plate or not. How you know? It's a hot, it's a cold? Because we are not seeing, but with touching, how can we say? Because we are having feel. Okay, when we are touching that hot plate, we should suddenly take out our தெரியாம தொட்டுட்டோம்னா கூட என்ன பண்ணிடுவோம், டக்குன்னு ஹேண்ட் எடுத்துக்க மாட்டோமா? Yeah, we will take out. Then you are close your eyes and you are touching that smooth places. கண்ணை கட்டிட்டு தொட்டோம்னா கூட நமக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா, it's smooth or hard or rough. It's not, we can identify that. Why? How can we identify? Means because of our skin will have that feeling. Like that, the feeling give sources or 4 sources are there. One is light, then heat, cold, then sound. நல்ல ஒரு டார்க் பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கும், suddenly that bright light will come and shown to our eyes. What happened? What will do? Suddenly we should close our eyes, no? Why we are closing our eyes? Because it's irritating us. We feel that light. Okay, so only suddenly we are closing eyes. When we are touching the hot plates, what we do? Suddenly we take out the hand. Then we are touching the cold place, we can know it's a cooling, like that. Then next one, sound. Suddenly that horn sound, like that anything will come in, we suddenly close our eyes, no? Sorry, close our ears, no? Yeah, why we are closing like that? Because such very sound will giving irritating to us, so we are closing our ears. இப்போ ஒரு டாக் படுத்துருக்கு அப்படின்னா திடீர்னு அதுக்கிட்ட போய் சத்தம் போட்டோம் அப்படின்னா என்ன ஆகும்? It suddenly get up and bark, or otherwise it will run, no? So all the living things will respond to the environment surroundings, what it is having. Okay, we also we know that what the seasons, environment, surroundings will have some changes. No, weather will change. That time summer season, we will wear a cotton light dress. We will sit under the fan. It's not like that, and then we are react. Our lifestyle will change like that. And then cold season, winter season also will take hot water. We should use the what woolen dresses. It's not, we should put the sweater, this and that. So it's a feeling. The like why we know that, how we know that means we feel that climate. Okay, so all the living things like us, all the living things, they know feeling. Feeling also one of the important character. எதுவுமே தெரியாம நம்ம பென்சில் மாதிரியோ சேர் மாதிரியோ இருந்தா என்ன ஆயிடும்? நமக்கு கோல்டும் தெரியாது, ஹார்ட் தெரியாது, எதுவுமே தெரியாது. ஃபீலிங் இல்லை அப்படின்னா. ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த ஃபீலிங் இல்லாத திங்ஸ் தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லிடுறோம். இட் இஸ் த நான் லிவிங் திங், லைக் தட் வி ஆர் சேயிங். ஓகே, ஸோ feel. Feel means we can understand the environment, surroundings. Okay. So children, now we saw that the characteristics of living things: need food, breathe, grow, movement, then feel. It's over. Now we are going to see about reproduce. What it is? Reproduce. All the living things. Okay. Living things will give birth. That won't kind. Okay. Now you see the plant means it will give seed. This seed too, it's a reproductive part. It too will come new plant. So like that, all the living things will give the new organism. New organisms means it's a one of the living things சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, உயிருள்ள ஒரு திங்ஸ் தான் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், ஆர்கானிசம்ஸ் சொல்லுவோம். இப்போ ஃபிஷ் இருக்குன்னா அது என்ன பண்ணும், it will give, when it's small, it will grow small to adult, then it will give birth, so lay eggs, or otherwise that reproduce also two kinds. One is it will lay eggs. எதெல்லாம் egg போடும், lay give the egg, lay hen, like hen, birds, all the birds, you can say all the birds, insects, this and that will lay eggs. That egg too will come out new baby. Okay, new baby chick or small worm like organisms will come out. Something that mammals like elephant, dog, human beings, this and that will give birth. Give birth. Okay, so like that all the living things can produce another new organisms. So only in எல்லா animals ஆகட்டும், plants ஆகட்டும், எப்பவுமே என்ன பண்ணுது, it's having in our earth. It's no, இப்போ ஒரே ஒரு செடி மட்டும் இருந்து அது அழிஞ்சு போயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா, டை ஆயிடுச்சு, டெத் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா, நம்மளால இன்னொரு செடி அது எதுவுமே ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணலை அப்படின்னா மறுபடியும் அந்த ட்ரீயை பார்க்க முடியுமா, அந்த அனிமலை பார்க்க முடியுமா, முடியாது. ஸோ எல்லா லிவிங் திங்ஸும் என்ன பண்ணுது, இட் கேன் ப்ரொடியூஸ் தேர் young ones. Plant, it will give the seed, that seed to the growing, okay, new plant. Okay, that's all over. Now the characteristics of life, it's a basic. Now you can understand what is the living thing, what is the non-living thing. What is the non-living thing? Which one will not do? Now what are the things we are discussing? No, that all. What are the things we are discussed now? Need food, breathe, growing, movement, feeling, then reproduce. Or a chair, you now are keeping one pencil, no? That pencil after 2-3 days, after you are seeing means it will give new pencil, new organism, like that anything will give? Not, no? So non-living things, it will not produce in another one. Okay, only the living things can produce that own kind. Okay, so non-living things means which all these things, these characters all not shown. That is called non-living things. Now you understand, no? Okay. Now we are going to our lesson. It's a plants around us. Now we saw that things around us only, no? That things around us, we saw natural things, man-made things, living things, non-living things, like that. Now we are seeing living things. That living things also will have two types. Yes, no? Already I said to you, one is plant, another one is animals. Now in this lesson, we are going to see the plants. Okay. Plants around us. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around U-S-S. Plants around us. Children, we see many plants. Yes, no? When we are going garden or park or roadside, you can see many plants or not? Or you saw the plants, no? Okay. What is its color? What's the color of the plant, ma? It's shown, most of the plant, it's shown the green color. It show the, yes, no? It's having green color. Okay. Now we are seeing the plant, that all the plants are same, same size, same height, like that, same shape, everything is same? No, we can see very small plant, yes, no? Very small and to very large. Yes, no? சின்ன செடியும் பார்க்கலாம், பெரிய மரங்களையும் பார்க்கலாம். Yes or no? Are you saw like that, no? Yeah, it's having different shapes and size. What we get from plants? What we are get from plants? We can get fruits, like fruits, vegetables, yes, no? And greeny leaves, flowers, like that lot of items we can get from plants, no? I told to you, plants is the green color. It's a banana tree. Okay, so what color is it? It's a green color. Next one, see in this plant, it's a very big, we say banana is not a very big tree because it's not having the hard stem. Or you saw the banana tree? It's a very big stem only, no? நல்ல தடியா இருக்கும், ஆனா என்ன இருக்காது, ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்காது, ஹார்டா இருக்காது. But you see the neem tree, banyan tree, that and all, how it is? It's a very hard trunk and very strong trunk, like this. And that trunk too only we can make the chair, doors, this and that. Okay, so it's a hard, very rough, hard trunk. Having hard trunk. Then see in this coffee seed. I told to you, the plant, new plant will come through the seeds. So it's a what? Coffee seed too, we can get the coffee plant, new plant we can get. Then fruits and vegetables we are get from the plants. And another one, next one, where you can see the plant, where it is having, it's having on only on land. Plants will have only on land. நிலத்துல மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு மாமா. You see, say the lotus plant. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Where it is? You can see on land? No, where it will have? It's have on pond, no? Lotus எங்க பார்க்கலாம்? குளத்துல தானே பார்க்கலாம், pondல. Okay. Pond means it's at what area? It's a land? No, it is the water area. What? Water. Okay, so like animals. Now you see the fish, and the tadpole. This and all you see means where it is. Tortoise. We can see on water only, no? We can see it's a water animals. It's not aquatic animals. So animals will have both land and water. It's a habitat of the animals. Like that. We can say it's a habitat. Habitat means what? வாழிடம் எங்க இருக்கோ எங்க வாழ முடியும். It can be where the animal or plant where it is survive. Survive means it will have the life. Okay, so that is called their habitat. Now you can say one elephant or like zebra, anything. You can say it's a land animal because it's live on a land. Live on the land. And you can say fish, like that a fish and all you can say it's a aquatic animal. Aquatic animal means what? It's live in the water. Like that the plants also will have water and land. Not only land, we can see both land and water. So it's a habitat of the plant. Okay, now lotus, can say lily, this and all water aquatic plants. What plants? Aquatic plants. And land means you can say neem tree, banyan tree, banana and rose, like that lot of plants we can. Most of the plants will live on the land and some plants will live in the water also. It is the habitat of the plants. So we can see both places, land and water. Okay. So while some of plants, most of the plants grow on land and some plants will grow in water also. Okay. Now I told to you we are seeing different types, the different size and shape of the plants. We can see small plant to large plant. Okay, so that keep and we are differentiate the plants. We are differentiate the plants. How we are differentiate means first one is, see this chart. In this we will learn about these things only. Okay, what is it? Plants around us, I told to you, have different shapes and size. That keep on we are differentiated. We are dividing the plants like this. The first one is trees. First one is trees. T-R-E-E-S. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. What is trees means? Can you say what it is? How it is? Can you say? Trees means it's a, see this chart, big and tall plants. Big and B-I-G. Big and tall plants is called what? நல்ல பெருசா trees, neem tree, banyan tree la பாத்திருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? What it is? It's a very big and tall plants is called trees. Next one, shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. What it is? Shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. What is meant by shrubs? Means it's a short and bushy plant. Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short and B-U-S-H-Y. Bushy plants with thin stem. The trees means it will have thick and hard stem, but short and bushy plants will have woody stems, means stick, like stick kuchi madri irukku. Okay, so it's called shrubs. Next one, the third one is herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. See this chart? Herbs. H-E-R-B-S. I told to you the hard and thick stem is called a tree. Thin woody stem is called a shrubs. But herbs means it's a small and weak stem. நீங்கள் என்னாச்சு துளசி செடியெல்லாம் பார்க்குறீங்க இல்லையா, அதனோட ஸ்டெம் எப்படி இருக்கு? க்ரீனிஸாக சின்ன மெலிசாக இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஸோ சாஃப்டாக இருக்கு. அதனோட ஸ்டெம் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், நம்ம சாஃப்ட் ஸ்டெம்னு சொல்கிறோம். It is called herbs. For this example, tulsi and mint. Okay, this and all we can say it's a herbs. Shrubs means the rose plant. We can say the rose plant is the shrubs. Trees already I said to you, neem tree, banyan tree, like that are trees. These are the examples. So these three kinds we can see. Next one, climbers. Next one what? Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. What is meant by climbers, ma? Climbers means it will not have strong stem. Climbers. Okay, it needs support to grow. It will have grow like this only, because the stem will not, this is creeper. In this plant they need the support to grow okay, any stick or any tree, okay, like that, and it will catch that stick, then it will grow up. Okay, it cannot grow straight. Okay, so it's called climbers. நம்ம தமிழ்ல கொடிகள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, that we can say it's an example. the வெத்தலை செடி சொல்றாங்க இல்லையா, வெற்றிலை பாக்கு பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா, that then அவரை செடி, pea plant, that and all we can say it's a climbers, because they can't grow straight. That wants to grow means it need the support. Okay, so it's called climbers. For this example we can say pea plant. Okay, then next one, creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. creepers. See this chart, C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. creepers. Creepers means it's a grow on the land. In this plant also will not grow straight. It will அப்படியே தரையிலே எப்படி இருக்கும், படர்ந்து இருக்கும். grow on the land. Plants which grow along the ground, it is called creepers. For this example we can say pumpkin, watermelon. We are seeing now that pumpkin, can say it's a creeper. Okay, then thorny plant. Thorny plant means முள்ளு செடி, cactus. The chapati கல்லுன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, that plant. Thorny, the rose plant also we can say it's a thorny plant. Okay, அதுலலாம் என்ன இருக்கும், முள்ளு இருக்கும். Okay, then aquatic plant. Aquatic plant already I said to you, the lotus, lily, like that plants will grow in the water. That is called aquatic plants. So keeping the size and growing places, habitat, this and all people, we are dividing the plants like that, like this. What are that means? It's a trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, thorny, aquatic plants. Can say again another one time now, trees. What is the spelling for trees? T-R-E-E-S, trees. Trees means what? It's a big and tall plant. Shrubs, it's a wood stem, stick like have, but it's a short and bushy plant. We can say it's a shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Next one, herbs. It's a very small plant like tulsi plant. Okay, H-E-R-B-S, it will have soft stem. Then climbers means it's a weak stem. It can't grow straight. It needs support to grow. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S, climbers. Then creepers, it's grow along the land. அப்படியே நிலத்தரையே படர்ந்திருக்கும். Example, pumpkin, C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Then thorny plant means it's a have thorn on the stem. Then aquatic plants, it's have in the water. This is one of the important. Did you know like that? The oldest banyan tree, that means 1,000 years. Okay, before the 1,000 years plant, the banyan tree will have in our country. Where it is means it's found in the botanical garden of Kolkata. Kolkata la botanical garden la என்ன இருக்கு 1000 years old banyan tree இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Okay, so in this we can see of that. Now the parts, we will see parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Okay children, now we will see parts of a plant. Okay, see, sir, downside will growing now, it is called what? It's a root, R-O-O-T, root. It will absorb the water and minerals from the land. Okay, then it will grow up now, it is called what? It's a stem, S-T-E-M, stem. So in this root will absorb plants and water and minerals from the land, and it will go through this stem. Okay, to the other parts of the plants. Other parts of the plants. What is the other parts? Stem, root, over. Next, what will have? Leaves. What will have? Leaves. This leaves will show L-E-A-V-E-S. L-E-A, leaves. In this leaves, what it will help to the plant means, it's preparing, that root will absorbing water, no? The stem will send through the water and minerals to other parts of the plant. In this leaves will show what? What is the help it's doing means, it's preparing the food for the plant. Food irundadana chedi nalla valara mudiyum. So in that preparing food is doing in this leaves. Then what parts will have? Will have flowers, no? Yeah. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Then fruits. These are the parts of the plant, and that small thing is called B-U-D, bud. Okay, in this two parts, flower and fruits, I told to you the leaves preparing food for the plant. In this flower and fruits, I told to you what is the seed to only new plants coming. So giving the baby plant like that, I said to you, no? See this seeds. This seeds will giving what? New baby plant like that. This seed where to coming means, it's this flower. In this flower after it will change to fruit. This fruit inside only that will have the seeds. So we can say it is the reproductive part of the plant. It's giving new baby plant, this too. Then bud, it will give new leaves or new flowers like that. So these are the parts of the plant. You see the chart. See this chart. It's a root, R-O-O-T, root. Then it's growing what? Stem, S-T-E-M, stem. Root will absorb water and minerals from the land, and it's sent through the stem. Then stem will have branches, leaves, flower, fruit. See, fruit, flowers, bud like this. Okay, already I said to you, flower, fruit is the reproductive part of the plant. The leaves is the preparing food for the plant. This is parts of a plant. Okay, okay children. Children, now take your classwork note. This is homework for you. You should write one time. Okay, P-L-A-N-T-S, plant. P-L-A-N-T-S, plant. Trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. Shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs. Climbers, C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S, climbers. 5 words this side 5 words. Again one time I am reading this 5. Plants. Plants. Trees. Trees. Shrubs. Shrubs. Herbs. 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 Climbers. 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 Then the sixth one, creepers. 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 Thorny. 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 Root. 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 Leaves. Leaves. Flower. Flower. Creepers. Thorny. Root. Leaves. Flower. Plants. Trees. Shrubs. Herbs. Climbers. Creepers. Thorny. Root. Leaves. Flower. You should say and write in your classwork note in one time. Okay children, stay safe. Wear mask when you are going out. You should wear mask. Okay. We will see next video. Okay. Bye.